products can become a real online business? Many people start from their kitchen or living room, and some turn it into full-time income. Homemade products include crafts, food, beauty, and art. Online selling removes location limits.
Our online store reaches customers worldwide.
Shopping is so easy.
I can shop from anywhere. Great deals, fast in store.
Balance passion with market demand. Study what's already selling. Niches help you stand out. Know the price range before selling. Calculate total cost accurately. Always include profit.
Let's look at who our target audience is. As you can see, our target audience is clearly highlighted.
Let's compare these two similar coffee products. This premium brand is $9.99, but the store brand is just $6.99. That's a big saving.
You don't need a fancy logo. Packaging creates first impressions. Start simple and affordable. Good photos sell products. You don't need expensive cameras. Keep backgrounds clean. Choose where to sell online. Etsy is beginner friendly. Shopify gives full control. Social media drives traffic. Titles should be clear and searchable. Explain benefits, not just features. Keywords help customers find you. Always be honest. Shipping cost affects sales. Protect products during transit. Automate shipping when possible. Process orders quickly. Good communication builds trust. Handle problems professionally. Reviews boost credibility. Politely ask customers for reviews. Social media is free marketing. Consistency beats perfection. Short videos attract attention. People love behind the scenes. Pricing influences decisions. Discounts should be strategic. Prepare for growth. Time management is key. Track inventory carefully. Don't overwork yourself. Track profits and expenses. Prepare for taxes. Reinvest wisely. Add products gradually. Consistency builds recognition. Emails bring repeat customers. Repeat buyers grow businesses. Clear policies build trust. Be transparent. You can sell globally. Understand shipping rules. Use data to improve. Feedback helps growth. Mistakes are part of learning. Think long-term. Many businesses start as hobbies. You can do this. Start small, stay consistent. Product, platform, promotion. Your first sale feels amazing. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.